You know what? Let's just get into it. Let's do it. Let me turn on this music. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Welcome to another day, another stream. And we're back.
I guess it's like telling the real and not
Today we're just gonna play Loba. La Lobita. Ooh, Team Deathmatch, that's awesome. Let me turn this down because I can't hear anything. That's good? Yeah. It's a bit dark in here today. I'm feeling a little cozy. Let's go, baby. How's everybody doing today? How are you guys doing? How was your day? I'm a bit later today. I had some delay. I think there's like ALGS right now. Is it actually ALGS or is it just scrims? That's interesting. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What are we playing? Oh, team deathmatch, yeah. I'll take this out. Alright. What are we gonna run today? Let's run the Prowler and the car. Let's do that. You know what? My little sobrino bought me this really cool mask. I saw him wearing it yesterday when we went out, and I was like, I want that too. That would be cool for the stream. But I did not end up using it today. Not yet. Not yet. Oh. No, no, don't kill me, don't kill me. Anyways, I'm gonna have to show you guys the mask. It's pretty cool. It's like detachable. Can this kid die already? Ah! Get up! Oh, they're inside. I think I heard someone. Yeah. Ooh. Where's everybody? Kids quit. Yeah. Oh my god, what's good? Hola, Space Cowboy. How you doing? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Welcome. I thought you would be sleeping already today. Hey, hey.
How you doing?
Little chinitos. Welcome to the stream.
Don't try, son. Do it.
Now I see you for the first time in stream. Oh no. So you're not lying this time. Oh. You're really not lying this time. I believe you. I finally believe you because you're here. Awesome. What are you guys doing up still anyways? Don't you have to like go to bed or something? Wait. Damn! Daddy! Oh. Oh gosh, how am I missing all this shot? Oh, give me that. Wait. Oh, oh. One shot to the face. No, no, no. Oh, it would have been nice if it could have finished that. I did like the super glide and... Oh, come on. How did it shoot me? Was my head sticking out? Tried the mask? Not yet. No, no, no. Could you imagine me playing with the mask? I don't think I'm gonna be able to see. Wait, what? Oh. I'm trying to focus, that's why I'm quiet. Oh, nice. Wow, this is a nice skin. Look at this. Wow. I've never seen this before. No way! How did it get not die? Where's my mask? You have to go back? Okay. Yeah, if you're on later. Si estás aquí, más tarde, podemos jugar. Because I cannot go a day without playing Rocket League. I have to close the day with Rocket League. What is this? Oh. Is that a crate? Oh man. Yo! Oh no! Oh gosh. What? Ah! My Kraber! Help! What? Oh, I like you using my emotes. My emotes. The emote with the hard eyes. I got it, Bunny. I know I got it. You got it, Bunny. See my personal DM? Okay, okay. I'll check it out in a bit. I'll check it out after this match is done. Después de este partido. Uy, give me that. Oh, there's a party in here. Where did this kid go? Oh, yeah. We were winning. Damn. Seriously? This kid never dies. That's the first time I got him, I think. Yay! First game, first dub. Let's go. Yee! What? The hell you climb? Looks like nothing. I played this game so much, so look at it. I don't even have the highest score. Damn, that's crazy. These kids are tryhards. Let me turn on my lights so you guys can see. I'm gonna put on the mask so you can see. There we go. What's this? Oh, okay. This is so cool. You guys like it? The thing is, I can't see. I can see, but I cannot see everything. Let's try a game with it. Let's see. I have to turn up my volume because looks cool. That's good. That's good. Awesome. Let's see how I play with it. I love this mask. It's so cool. I love how rainbow it is. It's pretty awesome. Pretty cool, nephew. Thank you so much. Thanks for getting it for me.
We're going to do beautiful things together.
Can you see the reflection of the game? No, you can't. No. Awesome, and you finally made a Twitch. That's awesome. I'm so happy. Now you can start streaming one day. Okay, let's play a game with it and see how it goes. This is what we're taking. We're going. Let's go for it. Can you guys hear me okay? I cannot hear myself. I'm trying real hard to see. Oh. Go, 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 go. I got a dead slide. Where'd he go? Nice, my first kill with the mask. I didn't think I could do it. What? Is that the drone? That drone is so annoying. Gotta kill it. Gotta kill the drone. Like these guys can't see me. Oh, I wanted to kill him. I'm playing pretty good with the mask on. Oh, that drone is hella annoying. I gotta find this guy. I gotta find this guy. And shoot him in the head. See, I cannot read what's in chat right now. I have to get up close to read it. Give me someone to kill. Oh, come on. This guy's stealing every kill. Stealing all the kills. So what are you guys up to? What are you playing tonight? Or are you not playing anything? Oh, I completely messed up. Oh, thanks for saving me. Is there another Lobita? Yay! Loba squad. It's the wolf squad. Waifu. Oh. Come on, don't miss your shots. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Where's this kid with the drone? I gotta find him. Find him and kill him. Where are you? Uh-huh. He went out of his drone, so he must be close. Uh-huh. Come out, wherever you are. I'm going to find you. Oh, he's close. He's right there. He's right there. And you annoying little piece of poop. No, don't miss. I gotta kill you. You're annoying. Your drone is annoying, kid. Stop flying that thing around us. This thing is closing my nose. Ah! I can hear people behind me. He's in his drone again. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get ya. Holy. Leave me alone! Ah, die! Oh, damn it. Where's the drone kid? Oh, he's up here, I think. Are you kidding me? Oh, he's behind me. No! Why am I reloading? Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, that dude saved me. Thanks, kid. What? You still didn't die with the mask. Oh, that's so true. You're so right. That's crazy. That is so cool. Now I know what to do. When I have to win, I'm gonna wear the mask. Oh. Oh shit. No! I'm gonna die now. Oh no. Oh no! Oh my gosh. No! Ah! Run! I didn't die. That's crazy. It's so right about the mask. They're chasing me. Oh, you have a thing for me, huh? Whoa! Damn, that kid had a thing for me. He was out for me. That's the first time I died. Aw. Oh, good. I gotta go get that octane. Is he here again? Is that him? He needs our help! Uh-oh. Oh, he's behind here somewhere. I'm gonna get ya. What an idiot. I knew he was there. I can't really hear where the people are. That's why I keep moving like this. Let me get up top here and play some golf. There's an enemy right there. Oh no, he got killed. Let me go help. Oh, I got the last kill. Let's go. GG, let's go, baby.
You are the Apex champion.
This mask is good. It's good luck. That's awesome. I can't drink my drink though. I want to drink it now. I can take off the the glasses, right? How do you attach this? Yeah, can't do it. Oh. So how do I detach it? How do I take that part off? How do I take the mouthpiece off? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool.
We're going to do beautiful
Very nice.
things together. No matter what, we get each other home. With the right moves, it takes it. I've seen it all. Nothing surprises me.
What do you mean? What do you mean, dude? What? I think I broke it, the top part. I broke it. And I made it all dirty. This is so cool. I can't feel my nose though. I can't feel my face. Can't even see, man. I'm shooting everything that moves. Oh wow, this kid is on top of us. Uh-oh. I'm probably dead here. Oh, these kids are tryhards. Oh, 2 people on me. That's too much for me to handle. Just clean it with some clothing. Yeah. I don't know, I can't see that. Does this work? That is so cool. I'm looking like a true gamer. Ah, leave me alone.
Don't drive out.
Where's this kid? Can you die? Oh shit. Oh, I can't believe I got him. I'm probably dead here.
Jump drive activated.
No, no, no! Oh no! Oh, I knew it. Man. Lupa? Yeah. Lupa, we have to try. What? Come build the air sub. Oh yeah, we should. That's perfect for that. We should. That's awesome. Oh, we can do that at Sambil? Awesome. I also wanted to go bowling at Sambil one day, which all of us. That would be fun. I'm sure you guys don't like bowling that much. You prefer to like do the airsoft, but bowling could be fun for the family. Where's everybody? Oh, don't leave me alone. Why these guys leave me? Fire! Oh! Oh no, everybody's on me now. Uh-oh, where'd he go? No, no, no! Oh, got him, got him, got him! Oh, I got him! Oh no! Here's where I die. Fuck! Oh no! No! I almost got him too. Bowling is fun, that's good. I'm glad you said that, that's awesome. We should do that too. We should do the airsoft and we should do the bowling. Sure. And we should go like on a buggy ride. Oh no, I fell. Yeah, man. Oh. No, no, no. Damn it. Okay, okay. I like this mask, it's so awesome. I want to go kill these people. Oh! Yeah, they got all these good guns and all I have is this thing. Oh, come on. No! See that? Come on. Oh gosh. No, no, no. There's people everywhere, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on, come on. Kill someone. Oh gosh. Oh, come on. I couldn't even get him. Damn it. I'm not okay. Yeah, everywhere with an enemy. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh no. Wow, look at that. There's so many down there. 24? Oh no, Tiger is gonna win. No. Man, I can't see anything. Look at these people. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna stream for too long today because it's already late. It's almost 11 already. I'm gonna get really sleepy in about half an hour. And my eyes cannot take it anymore, so... I need a machine or submachine gun. That's right. Yep. I can go... Kill them all. I need a new webcam, man. This one keeps getting stuck. I don't know if you guys can see it too. I could see it keep getting stuck. Sucks, man. Did you put any new videos on your YouTube? I would love to see some new content.
I don't settle. I'm not made that way.
Ooh, that music goes hard. I wonder what the name is. Let me get... Oh, none of this is good. Let me just get this. Oh no! Cover your ears, guys. This guy sounds... I don't want to judge, but this guy sounds old. Why are you crying, man? Why are you crying? What? Why's this guy inside of me? Whoa, wait, is someone behind me? Damn. That's crazy. Oh no. Wait, that's my teammate. I was shooting the wrong person. Oh no! Ah, my back! Gotti! Oh, I got him. Damn. Oh, this submachine gun is really good. It's a light machine gun. No, 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 no. Oh, I got him. Ooh. Bro, this mask brings me so much luck. You're right. I'm playing like a sweat, like a tryhard. Ow! Oh. Oh no. Got him! Oh my gosh, this mask brings me so much luck. Here's where I die. Oh yeah, someone came behind me. That's the only way! What? What is this? Wow. Is that a revenant? Send help! I'm gonna defend that area. Die! No! Oh, that kid was one shot. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, the submachine gun is so good. So fast. It's like... Oh gosh. Okay, I got surprised. This kid is camping. Why is this kid camping here? Pollito. He's playing like a chicken. I love chicken. I would love me some chicken right now. Oh. I can hear you. Wait, what? That same kid. Oh no, I'm so dead here. Damn it.
Yeah, nah, you did good. I just did gooder.
Shut up, kid. Shut up. That's not even proper English. Oh no. You're getting the zone. Defend, defend, defend.
Placing gas trap.
Mobile respawn beacon event beginning now.
Where are you? Are you kidding me? Okay, that is stupid. Come on, that is so stupid.
Yeah, nah, you did good.
Can someone push that area with me? Send help. So cringe how that kid's just standing there with his face. Come on. It's even cringier that I just stood there and got shot and died. So cringe.
We have neutralized the zone.
Wait, I think that was an enemy?
Triple take here.
So everybody's leaving now? Okay. Alrighty then.
See someone out there? Trap is set.
Ouch! How is he hitting me? That's stupid. Oh, come on. Let me 1v1 him.
You were just a messenger.
I would have killed him.
Better than unsure, son.
Oh no, are we winning? Yes. Okay. Let's go defend A. Okay, they want to go this way? Okay. Okay. I'm shooting at nothing. Just in case he peeks again. Just in case he repeats. Oh, he's dead. TTV dead! Oh. Give me that. He needs help. Oh gosh. Oh no. Kill the drone! Wait, what? Oh, I stuck him! I stuck him! Oh man. Both of these guys are like cracked. Oh no, they're getting B. Alright. Bye guys. Thank you for dropping by. I'm happy you came. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Slap lekker. Oh. Granada! How many grenades does this kid have? What? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Ah, no. What the? Bro, don't teabag me. I'm gonna destroy you. Don't let me find you. I'm going to destroy you, kid. I am going to destroy this kid. Why would you teabag? You're losing. You're an idiot. What a maroon. Okay, buddy. I'm coming for ya. Where are ya? See, look, it's very sus that he knew I was coming. Come on, man. You're kidding. What? I'm dying! Oh gosh. Wow. I got one shot at one tap. What? Hello again? Hola. What? That's the mask? Yes, well, it's like two parts. It's this thing and this thing. Like this. But I took this part off.
Beacon has expired.
I love it. I look like a true gamer now. I just need some cool lights in the back. What is this? ¿Qué tal? Like what? Oh no. Oh no, they're gonna kill you, man. Don't be alone over there. No, 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 give me this one. Wow.
But they know who they're dealing with.
Do they know who they're dealing with? Okay. Let's go, baby. Now I need to teabag. Damn. These guys are way too happy.
Easy.
Like a motorcycle mask? I guess so, yeah. It's really for playing paintball, for airsoft. Anyways, it's giving me not a headache, but it's really hot, warm. It's making me very, very warm. I'm trying to attach it again. The next one. That one. Here we call it gotcha. It- Okay, it's time to get sweaty again.
Set and capacitors charged.
Time to get sweaty.
We're going to do beautiful things together.
Why is my camera getting stuck? Let me turn off this light. I love it when it's dark. Oh no, it's way too dark, I think, now. It's way too dark now. Okay, whatever. We're good. Let's go with this one. No, this one. With this one.
Care package being delivered. Sponsored by Chevrolet.
Oh, I can hear much better. And I can see much better. Oh, please don't dead slide. What? Whoops. You're kidding. You're kidding. How did he throw that right where I was? That's some crazy shit.
Healing my wounds.
Anyways, let me change the lighting of my camera. There we go. Oh! How did I miss all my shots? Damn it. Is he dead? Ah, is he dead? Okay, now you're running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why am I miss? Holy fuck. Oh, yoy! You're kidding me! Damn it! Finally! At least I got him. Man, Apex is so sweaty. Can't see me, huh? I'm putting my face all up in this screen so I can see. Oh, I changed my camera, by the way. The style of my camera. Wait, why is my other camera on? I can see two things. Yeah, this one should be off. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on. That's not cool. Okay. What? Ah! Don't get stuck in the tree. Oh man, I wanted to nade him. I wanted to stick him and then run. How was the beach day? Well, we didn't go anymore. We did some other stuff today. I did some stuff with my mom. Went shopping with my mom. Hacer compras con mi mamá. You're kidding. Come on. Oh, come on. You're kidding. You're kidding. We lost one. How was your day? ¿Qué tal tu día? ¿Qué hiciste hoy? ¿Mm? Yo, what? Ouch. Ouch! Ah, come on, man. Leave me alone! Holy fuck, this kid! Oh my gosh, this kid has a thing for me. What? You're running. Ah! Run! Bro, what? Oh gosh. These kids are nudes. Ah, leave me alone, kid. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ryan! Shopping, yep. Fancy girl? Nah. Bro, what? Oh, you're dead, kid. Oh no. Woohoo! Let's go.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Oh, come on, man. Leave me alone. Let me heal. I can't believe we're winning with one man short. Good. Yo, what? No! Come on, man. You're kidding! Oh my gosh. So sweaty.
The FNG?
Arthur? Fuck out of here, Arthur. GTFO. Uh-oh. So many here. It's probably Arthur again. No, it's not. He still has 9 kills. See, now my eyes are very sleepy already. So I'm gonna be ending the stream real soon. This kid is one. Yo. Ah! No!
What are you?
That cat is one! Oh man. Today was good thing. Food and some movie. Oh! What movie? ¿Qué película viste? ¿Cuál película? Whoa! Damn, bro. This kid doesn't miss.
Tossing jump drive.
Watch out. That kid doesn't miss, kid.
Hold on, I need to heal.
I'm trying to focus. Let's go, baby.
Come on. Come on. Good night, beauty. Come on. Let's see if we're
You are the Apex champions.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream like this because there's not much more my eyes can take. But I will be playing Rocket League in a bit, so if you're on, we can play Rocket League. You saw what? Women talking? Okay, I need to look at the trailer for that. I'm not sure what that is about. Anyways, thank you for dropping by, guys. Why did my music stop? I'm gonna end the stream like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys dropping by. Thank you as always, Space Cowboy. My bunny. My bunny. Thank you so much. Let's see who we can raid. Okay, let's see. Who's on? Mute. Robo. Go, baby. Let's raid Robo. Yeah. How do we do that again? Okay, here. Raid channel. Robo. There we go. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Probably tomorrow. Alright. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.
Push me to the edge, die. All my friends are dead, die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead, die. Push me to the edge, die. All my friends are dead, die. Push me to the edge, die. It's alright. You're right. I do that. I'm really alright. I'm really alright. Everybody got this red. One way now I just all the way to my next one. Every time that you leave, you're smart. You can break me like no. I like the way that you shoot me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I can't no.